Good morning. It's 7 a.m. Probably 55, 60 degrees out here. But it's time to do the chores because we have somewhere to go this morning. We are getting a new animal for the ranch. Oh, look at these cute bunnies. Good morning, guys. I move their cage every day, and every day they eat all the grass that's underneath it. So let's get them moved a little bit. That's better. Now they got a little bit more to eat. Look at these bald spots. Look at these bald spots. That's from them sitting in one spot for one day. So, you give them some pellets and some water too. Uh-oh, I spilled it. Good morning, little one. Okay, they need some water too. All right. That'll do for them for a while. Now we just have the chickens. Good morning, ladies. I spread out the food so that everybody has a spot, and they still chase each other around. Laid me lots of eggs today, ladies. It's so nice to have fresh eggs. I think I have 2.5 dozen right now. It'll be time to make something. All right, I need my boots because this grass is wet. Okay, so as I was saying before I fed the rabbits, we're going out this morning. We have a new animal to pick up for the ranch, and I'm really excited. Lots of squirrels running around here. But I can't tell you what the new animal is. I'll just have to show you. All right, guys, we're heading out to go get our new animal. Can't wait to get it here. This is so exciting. So we got all ready for it last night. And We're ready. What?
We were getting two.
We are getting two.
New animal.
New animal. It's only one breed of animal. They have goats, and I hear turkeys and chickens and pigs. Look at the little pigs. Those aren't little pigs, those are big pigs. Tiny. I can't believe they get that small. And they get that big.
What kind of goats you got there? Those are dwarf Nigerians.
Look at all the pigs. So these are American guinea hogs, and we got us 2 of them for our ranch. Okay guys, so I don't know how much of that you could see. They had some kids running around, and yeah, so I didn't want to record too much, but so we got us 2 little American guinea hogs. They're between 15 and 20 pounds, I think. So we're gonna bring them on home, and we'll give you a better view of them once we get them home and put them in their cage. So we'll see you back at the ranch. Well, here we are guys, we made it back, and we have these 2 little guinea hogs. Can't see them too well in there, but they're just chilling out. So we've decided, because they're so small, we're gonna put them in this cage that we were using for the chickens. So we're gonna start them in here. There's somewhat of a cover with the tarp, keep them out of any rain or whatever. And we put down a bunch of bedding last night. We have this tub for water, but I'm really worried it's too big because the pigs are really small right now. So we'll have to see if they can reach it. But hopefully they'll be happy in here for a little while till they get a little bit bigger, and then we will put them into the fenced off area that we made for pigs. We'll have to come up with a shelter for in here for them, but like I said, for now we're just going to put them in this cage, and yeah, they shouldn't be able to get out, so let's get them put in there. See if they'll go in. Give them just a second. No, Tiny.
No.
Those are not your friends. Take this way. There you go.
So let the dog in.
So guys, we got pigs, and we have named them already. The big one is Ham, and the little one is Hawk. So we know that they are dinner. So we don't want anybody getting attached to them, because they will be butchered and they will go to freezer camp. So they're really shy. They don't want anybody to get near them. But I think they'll calm down and they'll get used to us. Hopefully. Get you guys some food. Well, we made it through the first day with the pigs. They're just being lazy, being pigs, sleeping. They sure do grunt a lot. And the big one seems to pick on the little one a lot. You can hear him squealing quite a bit. So far, everything's going okay. They seem to be good in this cage. Don't seem to be able to get out or anything. I did give them 2 containers of water because the big one didn't look like they could reach it. So we gave them a little bowl for now. I ordered some pig nipples that we're going to wait for those, and then we'll come up with a trash can or something that we can mount them in, fill it up with water so that they'll always have clean water that they can reach. But yeah, I'm very happy with our purchase of pigs. And I don't know anything about the breed. I did my research. I did a little bit of research, and I found that they do take a long time to get up to size. We can butcher them at about 9 months. And right now they are supposedly 3 to 4 months. They're awfully small for being 3 to 4 months. But we'll just have to wait and see. You know, obviously the bigger or the longer you let them go, the bigger they'll be, the more pork you'll get. But I think a small breed for our first time around isn't bad. We want to make sure that our pen system and our fencing and everything will hold in bigger pigs. But we are still thinking of getting a bigger one, because we'd definitely like to do 2 different breeds at the same time so we can see the difference in them growing, how fast they grow, how much they eat, all that. We can compare them and, you know, make decisions after that. But supposedly these are the Kobe beef of pork, so supposedly they taste really good. They're really good for lard. So I guess we'll just have to wait and see how that works out. This is a first for us, so. They're so lazy. They're just laying there sleeping. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up because it does help us. You can always leave us a comment. I say that every video and I never get any comments. So, and if you haven't already, you can hit the subscribe button and you'll see every time I put out a video. I try to put one out every week, but some weeks I just don't get to it. But I do try. So for now, we're going to call it a day and we'll see you next time. Good night, everyone.